My name's Chris Cantrell. We're at Beech Bend Speedway in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Holley LS Fest. So it's an '89 Coupe. We've had the car for about 4 years now. We originally started racing the car back in 2016 with a stock block 5.3. We set the nitrous stock block, stock bottom end record with this car. I think if we can get a little track prep out here today and some cooperation, I think we got what it takes to reset the record today. Right now the stock block record is about a 487, 488. It's a little skewed. We'd like to put a 10th on it. I think we've got a mid 70 in the car right now. You know, when we started LS racing, like I said, 3.5, 4 years ago, I just never dreamed that that they can hold what they'll hold, and you know, we've actually seen on stock internals, we've seen up to 550, 600 horse spray on them, and be able to keep them together for 25, 30 passes. It is my first time at LS Fest, yes it is. You know, so the guys at Holley, man, they've just been great to work with for us. So the car got a little head of steam about 3 weeks ago, and it's actually a fresh build. It's a brand new build. We come down here with one motor pass on the car. We actually sprayed it last night for the first time. You know, working through some suspension problems. But you know, I think there again, if we can get a little luck and the weather will cooperate, I think we can lay down a good platform today. I've raced at this facility before with the Gassers. Actually, I believe it's the Holley Hot Rod Reunion. We've done Hot Rod Reunion here, and I thought that it was crowded. I just thought, man, you couldn't put another race car in this place, but prove me wrong, you know. And you know, I tell you, the organization, the track, the workers and the attendees and the Holley crew, I mean, man, it's just a really fine-tuned, it's running well. It's really nice.